Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your yoga practice with CorePower Yoga Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Start by setting a clear intention for your practice. This will guide you and keep you focused. Next, familiarize yourself with the CorePower Yoga class types. Explore the differences between C1, C2, and Sculpt classes. Each class offers unique challenges and benefits. Consider starting with a C1 class to build the foundation. C1 focuses on basic postures and breathing techniques. Now, invest in proper yoga gear. Choose a mat that offers both grip and comfort. Wearing breathable, flexible clothing enhances your movement. As you enter the studio, take a moment to breathe deeply. This helps you transition from your day into your practice. Once on your mat, follow the instructor closely. Pay attention to alignment cues to prevent injury. Don't hesitate to modify poses when needed. Use blocks, straps, or other props to aid your practice. Remember, yoga is about listening to your body. Embrace the flow of the class. Focus on each breath as you move through the poses. Stay present and let go of distractions outside the studio. After several classes, reassess your progress. Notice any improvements in strength, flexibility, and focus. Consider increasing the frequency of your practice. Aim for attending multiple classes each week. As you gain confidence, challenge yourself with advanced classes. Explore C2 and Sculpt classes to push your limits. In these classes, you will encounter a wider variety of postures. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation into your routine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.